Hi friends, it's your host for the day Kirti, welcoming you all to this new and exciting episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines. Excise Department wakes up, conducts raids in and around Mangalore, sees illicit liquor, destroy brew. Sri Ramasene leads the way by distributing books to poor students. And in our entertainment dash, we have a Konkani song by Lorna, a Berry duet by Anita Sampson and Ravindra Prabhu, and another Konkani number from Wilfie Knight. News in detail. The huge tragedy that has already taken almost 150 lives in Karnataka has finally woken up the excise department. While BJP-JDS coalition banned arak in the state and claimed it to be the biggest achievement, they also paved way for production and supply of hooch. But now that hooch has claimed so many lives, excise department has suddenly woken up and is busy carrying out raids in Mangalore and around. While huge quantity of brew was destroyed at Adam Kudru and Balkunje on Tuesday evening, police landed up at Pavur Ulya on Wednesday morning and seized illicit liquor. Following the shocking deaths of more than 80 people across the state owing to consumption of spurious liquor in the last few days, the excise department in the city has decided to curb production of illicit liquor in and around the city. The department officials seized a huge amount of brew and illicit liquor near Adam Kudru and Balkunje on Tuesday, May 20th. Acting upon a short tip-off, the excise police headed by Commissioner N.M. Hussain raided Onti Kudru Padpu and M.N. Kudru on Monday at about 3 p.m. They seized 5,000 litres of brew and 200 litres of illicit liquor stored in pots and tubes. The containers of brew and liquor were stored hidden under the sand at the river bank. The police spilled the brew and liquor into the river after getting them out of the sand cover. Later, they damaged the pots used to store the brew. Meanwhile, excise police conducted a raid in Balkunje, the details of which are not known yet. No person has been arrested in both the raids, sources said. Excise officials V.S. Gundu, Madhav Rao, Aziz Permanur, Kushalappa Gowda, Mohan and others were part of the team that raided the places. It may be recalled that more than 80 persons died in Bangalore and Kolar districts in the last few days owing to the consumption of spurious liquor. Most of them were coolie labourers. Special squads have been formed in the state to curb the production of illicit liquor. Excise officials also cautioned the public not to consume illicit liquor as it may lead to fatal consequences. In another raid, an excise department special squad headed by Deputy SP J. Papaya raided Pavurulya Isle located near Adyar to detect production of illicit liquor in the early hours on Wednesday, May 21st. The police were successful in unearthing an illicit liquor production spot during their raid, but the persons engaged in producing spurious liquor escaped from the spot by jumping into the Netravati river. Police have seized the vessels used for liquor production and destroyed the brew kept ready for producing liquor. They have also seized about 25 litres of hooch produced at the same brewery. Sudden raids by the excise department have however not satisfied anyone. Most of the people are of the opinion that no spurious liquor den can operate without the knowledge of excise department, and raids conducted once in a blue moon are just an eyewash. This clearly indicates that it is high time that total liquor ban comes into effect. Liquor will be the first priority of the new government of the state. Sri Ramasene has always been touted as a group of like-minded young men who have come together for the betterment of the society. It was once again proved on Tuesday when the Urva Store Committee of Sri Ramasene distributed books to the poor students. Urva Store unit of Sri Ramasene organized a ceremony at Urva Store's ground on Sunday, May 18th for distributing books and uniforms free of cost to poor students belonging to the Hindu community. Arun Kumar Putila, state convener of Sri Ramasene, was the main speaker on the occasion.
ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡಾಗ ಸುಶಿಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂತ ಯೋಚನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆವು. ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ, ರಾಜಕೀಯಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ, ಕೇವಲ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು ಮೀಸಲಾಗಿರಬಾರದು ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂತ ಯೋಚನೆಯನ್ನಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಬಡ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಸದ್ಬುದ್ಧಿಯಿಂದ ಬದುಕುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರೇಪಣೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
S. Ganesh Rao, founder chairman of Karavali Group of Colleges, presided over the function.
ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಕಾಯಕ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಮವಸ್ತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಮವಸ್ತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದು ನೀವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸೇವೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾತೆ ಸರಸ್ವತಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸೇವೆ, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸೇವೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸೇವೆ. ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ, ಉದಾತ್ತವಾದ, ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದ, ಭವ್ಯವಾದ, ಸುಂದರವಾದ, ನಿಷ್ಕಲ್ಮಶವಾದ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನವಾದ, ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಸಮಾನವಾದ ಕಾಯಕವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾರೇ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಹಿಂದೂ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸಕ್ಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ದೇವರ ಪೂಜೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಡಬಗ್ಗರಿಗೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ ಧರ್ಮ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Entrepreneurs Sandeep Shetty Ekkur, Madhusudan Urvaschor, District Convener of Sri Ramasene Kumar Malemar, District Deputy Convener of Sri Ramasene and Prasad Attawar, State Deputy Convener of Sri Ramasene were the chief guests of the function. Books and uniforms were distributed to hundreds of students on the occasion. That's all we had in our news section for the day. It's time for us to move on to our exciting entertainment bash. But before entering, let's take a short commercial break. When we come back, we'll bring to you all your requests.
Apurva for apt life.
Inland Builders have been a pioneer in the creation of ultra-modern residential and commercial development in Mangalore and Bangalore. With ongoing projects in Mangalore like Inland Ornate, Inland Avenue, Inland Eminence, Inland Evoke, Premium Luxury Apartments, Kankanadi, Mangalore, and in Bangalore, Inland Everglades, Inland Ilanza. Shortly, Inland Builders are launching Mangalore's first international standard apartment complex at Mary Hill Airport Road, Mangalore, known as Inland Windsors. A modern grand structure of 23 floors, 230 super luxury apartments with facilities like garbage chute, multi-purpose hall with shuttle and squash court, supermarket, jogging track, table tennis, gym, swimming pool, TV room, etc. Bookings open. Inland Builders, Mangalore, phone 2496110.